beep, beep, beep. Alice, don't worry. We will find your car. Okay. Wow! There's a car over there for sure. Okay, we should check. Maybe the car is inside this pool. Let's go! I found something! Wow, it's a red car! Let's go! I found the car. Let's put it up. Wow! Maybe the car inside this pool? Let's check! Let's go! Yeah! Oh, what's that? Wow, the yellow car! Let's go! Yellow car! Yay! Unified! Yay! Let's find the car. Yay! Where's the car? Blue car! Yay! I found the blue car! Alice, look! I found the blue car! Let's put it at the garage! Beep, beep, beep. Bye! Ew! It's a slime tunnel. Wow! It's a green pool! Yay! So many balls and apples! The green one! Bye! I found the green car! Wow! We found all the cars! Yeah! Uncle, ready? Uncle, are you okay?
My nose hurts.
Oh, okay, idea. Wee. Now you will be fine.
Here.
I'm ready.
Ready, steady, go! Watch out, Chris! Oh no, Chris! Chris, are you okay?
No, don't do it.
Don't worry, Chris. I will help you.
Good, thank you, Uncle.
Chris, look what I have for you.
Wow!
So many bubbles! Oh!
Chris, it hurts. Yeah, Mark, it hurts. I know what to do. Which one would you like? This one. Okay. Here. Okay. Yay! Wow! Hi, Coyote. Look. An idea. Thank you, Chris. Dad! Yellow!
Hey, Chris, what is that? So cool gumball machine. Can I have one gumball?
Yeah, sure.
It's blue. So yummy. Thank you, Chris.
Purple. Oh no!
Oh no, Chris, I'm so sorry. Don't worry, I'll fix it, okay? Chris, I'm gonna tape and I'll fix it. Almost done. Oh, I'm so sorry.
What are you gonna do, Uncle?
No worries, I know what to do.
Uncle will fix it.
Hi, I want to order a gumball machine. Perfect. Yes. Yeah, gumball machine. Do you like it?
Yeah!
Such a good gumball machine. Let's go. So heavy and so big. Let's unpack it.
Yeah!
Let's check it out.
Yeah! Orange gumball! Yummy!
Now it's my turn to try a gumball. Wow, so many colors. I'm gonna take yellow.
I'm gonna take pink.
Okay, Chris, I'm gonna play some baseball.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, again?
I know what to do, don't be sad. Let's build the coolest gumball machine.
Yeah!
Here we go, Chris. Oh, cool. It's a clear balloon.
Wow! Can I shake it?
Yes, of course. It's ready. Yoo-hoo! Yay! Now it's my turn.
Okay!
It's pink. So do you like your new gumball machine?
Giant gumball machine.
For giant things, we need some magic.
Yeah!
Right there.
Yeah!
Let's do some magic.
Yeah!
1, 2, 3. So big! Look at this thing! So many balloons inside, Chris! This gumball machine needs special coins.
Yay! Thank you, Uncle!
Wow! It's blue!
Yeah! What is just a balloon?
Do you want to try?
Yeah!
Let's go!
It's time for some party. Hello, Chris. It's gonna be a party in your house? Yeah, the party. Yay! Time to have some fun.
Oh, kids, hello! Come in! Hi! Give me a high five and here you are. Fun is a good idea, but you need to change your outfit first. Come here! Hop. Ready! Next! Come on! Let's go! Hop.
Yay! What about my clothes?
Okay, come inside. Hop. Hop.
Wow!
Kids, let's have some fun!
Yay! Let's battle! Guys, look what I found! I want the bubble! What's going on? Guys, let's go to the kitchen!
Maybe you would like some smoothies? Pineapple, done! The next one is watermelon. Watermelon, done! It's time to enjoy the healthy smoothie!
I'm yummy healthy. Kids, let's go with me. I need to check. Kids, what are you doing in my house? Mommy? This house is not a place for water park. Sorry, now we know. Let's go outside. Use life jacket. Always good idea to spend time with your friends and family. Yummy! Delicious.
It's too much sugar for you! Donuts are unhealthy!
But we don't want veggies.
Okay, kids, let's play hide and seek. If I will find you, you have to eat vegetables. And the game will start now! 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 13, 14, 27, 29, 30.
Wow! It's my yellow secret room. such a nice picture. Wow! This is my pink secret room! I got blue room! But it's empty! We need to fill up this room with my color! I need some yellow stuff.
What plates are doing on the floor? So strange. Kids, where are you?
Huh? It's clear. Perfect yellow. All done.
Huh? Huh? So suspicious.
Captain America! Cars!
Green, blue, yellow, and pink. I don't like this bed. I'll better take a seat on the sofa.
I need something green. Ooh.
So comfortable. How does it work? I'll take a nap.
So heavy.
Who's here? I'm gonna find you.
Blue room is ready! Yellow room! Pink room! Green room! Chris, I'm hungry! Me too! Okay, Chris. Mike, we're hungry! Okay! Let's go! Yay! Done! Smells good. Have to deliver them. Or yellow for me, for Alex, for Chris. This is for Nicole. Guys, trace the party. Wow, my box is big. My box is blue. My box is green. Wow, this is apple flavor. Thank you, Mom.
sound coming from? Aha! It's too small for me. I want to order the pizza.
Okay.
Pepperoni. Pizza.
Gotcha!
Oh no, vegetable.
Now it's time to our secret tools. Huh? I hear something. You're inside.
Eggplant?
Nice secret room. Alice, I got you.
Beep.
The railway?
No, 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 no!
Oh, another secret room. Okay.
Whew, it was close.
Huh? Aha! Let's see who is there. Gotcha! This is for you, Nicole. Now it's time for a boss level. Ooh. There is definitely someone inside. Don't forget your helmet
Okay.
and your vegetable. Actually, it was fun today.
Yeah.
And don't forget that the vegetables is healthiest food. And let's play something else.
Yeah. Let's go. Actually, station. Wait for me. It's a cool car. What? Wow. Wow, so cool car. Let's draw a big car. Yeah. You forgot your pencil. Yeah. Let's color. Here. Thank you. Circle. Yeah. Here. I think we're finished. Yeah. Wow. Wow. This is a real car. I want to ride that. Let's go. Bye-bye. Oh. Chris, come here. I drove the garage. Yeah. Mark, let me out of here. Let me out here. Chris, I'm finished. I'm coming. Chris. Oh, hi, Chris. I drove the soccer ball. Wow, so cool ball. I'm gonna draw the uniform. Oh, uniform. Ready. Let's go.
Boys, time for lunch.
Let's go.
Lunch for champions.
Broccoli, no. Let's do it. Tomato cheese. Don't forget the ketchup. Oh, so yummy! Oh, I like it so much. I'm gonna try donuts. Yay! Wow, donut! Yummy. I like this magic. Let's draw something else. Yeah. Let's draw the aeroplane. Yes. Okay, right here. Ready! Yeah! See, I like it. Michael, wait, where's our pencil? I don't know, we should check it. Where's our pencil?
Oops, sorry guys. There's only a small piece left.
Oh no!
Maybe you want a toy house?
Toy house? Okay. But it should be beautiful.
I'm done.
Yay! Look at that! Wow, magic! Yeah, more blocks! No, stop! Cool! Wow! Yeah! Chris, let's play together! Yes! Thank you, Chris. You're welcome.
And don't forget to share with your friends.